Investing in a group of stocks can be done through various investment vehicles such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or index funds. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in a group of stocks. Determine your investment goals. Clarify your investment objectives, such as capital appreciation, income generation, or diversification. This will help you choose the most suitable group of stocks for your portfolio. Research investment options. Explore different mutual funds, ETFs, or index funds that offer exposure to a diversified group of stocks. Consider factors such as the fund's investment strategy, track record, expense ratio, and risk profile. Select the right investment vehicle. Choose the investment vehicle that aligns with your investment goals and preferences. Mutual funds are actively managed by professionals, while ETFs and index funds passively track a specific market index. Choose a reputable provider. Select a reputable fund provider with a strong track record and reliable customer service. Consider factors such as the provider's reputation, fund performance, fees, and customer reviews. Open an investment account. If you don't have an existing account with the chosen provider, you may need to open one. This typically involves providing personal information, identification, and completing any required forms. Determine the investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest in the group of stocks. Some funds may have minimum investment requirements. Select a fund or index. Choose the specific fund or index that focuses on the group of stocks you want to invest in. Review the fund's prospectus or index methodology to understand its holdings, allocation, and investment approach. Fund your investment. Transfer the desired investment amount from your bank account to the investment account. Confirm the investment details. Review and confirm the investment details, including the fund or index name, investment amount, and any other relevant information. Complete the investment. Follow the instructions provided by the fund provider to complete the investment process. This may involve signing an investment agreement or providing electronic consent. Receive confirmation and documentation. Upon successful investment, you will receive confirmation and documentation outlining your investment in the group of stocks.